Moses here from... Can you fix that? Thank you. Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm playing this 2008 Gibson SG Custom. And SG in this case stands for Sparkle Green. And we're checking it out through a Marshall YJM Yngwie Malmsteen head. And we're going to be rocking the awesome Arbuckle Trem from Greer Amps. Let's hear it. The Arbuckle sounds great. One of the interesting things about it is if you were to take the rate and depth knobs all the way down to nothing, you could actually use it as a boost because there's a bit of a boost in the volume. I don't know why you would do that because this particular transistor-based trem has an awesome sound to it. In the immortal words of Rob Thomas featuring Carlos Santana, it is so smooth. It's also true bypass, runs on just a 9-volt power supply, in and out, super simple, basic. It's what you want in a trem, and it just sounds fantastic. So pick one up if you can. Head over to GuitarChimp.com where you can see this pedal and a lot of other great pedals and guitars, and give us a subscribe or a like, or send us a gift in the mail. We would appreciate that. Cheers. Welcome to Guitar Chimp News. Today we will be checking out the Arbuckle Trem.